Hey guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook dating not showing, because this problem is being annoying for a lot of people. So let's see how to fix this. The first thing you have to do is to open your Facebook like this, and then click on the sign or your profile picture like this. And then scroll down till you find help and support. Click on it and then report a problem. We have to report a problem to the Facebook company to help us to fix this problem. And that's what we're gonna do. Click on report a problem. No, I don't want this. Then okay. Report a problem. I have to shake my phone to report a problem. And then creating a report. Here I don't want any including. Here I'll choose data modes. And then the issue I'll write, hey, my Facebook dating is not showing. Please help me fix this problem. And then hit upload from phone. Then click on this send sign. And that's it. You have sent a report to Facebook company and they will fix this problem for you. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to watch all the upcoming videos. And goodbye.